Hi guys, I'll be doing the salt and ice challenge. Here's my ice, and here's my salt, and here's my assistant. She'll be past me doing this stuff on my arm. Okay. And you'll also probably need some toilet paper to wrap it around when you're done. So yeah. Okay. So you can get it open. Okay, here's my ice and my salt on my arm. Now I'll hold this. Are you pressing it down? Yeah, it's stinking right now. Oh my gosh, it broke! Keep it on. Is it burning? Yes, I don't want to take it off. How long did Jessie do it for? I don't know. She did it long though. Okay, I'm just going to do like that because it's still stinging. Now put it down. And you fucking ice egg. No, those fans. Yeah, but only good. They feel like if it's stuck on. I know! Oh my god. And that's what it does to your arm. If you left it as long as I did, that's what it did to your arm. Oh my gosh, it has a mark though. I know, it's funny. Is it? That's hard! Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's go to Angel. Oh, bye. See you later.